A little bit of a nightmare on the roads for some.
Yeah, it is.
I've heard it a few different times from people driving out there right now. The 219, very slick. There have been reports of cars off of the road, some tipped over. So be careful. Give yourself extra time if you have to go out. This is some of the totals that we've seen across the area. And this is a couple of hours old, too. So we're likely seeing a bit more than this. From Orchard Park, about 1/10 of an inch of ice, along with Eden and Hamburg. Even just a light glaze will make things slick, and the Buffalo Airport has received 2/10 of an inch of ice. We have the winter weather advisories continuing as we head into the overnight tonight. However, the next few hours is pretty much what we have to contend with this. 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch possible, and then areas north and east going towards Rochester. This is where sleet and snow can accumulate of a couple of inches, 2 to 3 inches of snow. Outside of that, everything that you see towards New York City, yes, that's in form of heavy, wet snow. Here in western New York, we still have that switch over, especially right along the 90. You have it going from ice back over to snow towards Batavia. A little bit more of a lull areas south between Concord, say the 219, between Collins or so, right down to Ellicottville, and northern Pennsylvania still has ice coming down. Along with that, we're looking at temperatures in the lower 20s, right near the 32-degree mark for Buffalo in our hourly forecast into the night tonight. Still some freezing rain for areas south and north. That's where that sleet mixture is in, and temperatures will just continue to drop from there. So as we get rid of the precipitation, any surfaces that are untreated, they are all going to be iced over because temps are dropping into the middle 20s. And as for how much additional ice may be seen, around a few hundredths between Buffalo to the Falls and a little bit more areas south and east of Buffalo. As for snow, very light totals between Niagara Falls and Pendleton and Amherst, where that sleet mixture is there, and then a better shot to have a couple of inches between Albion and Batavia, and more so towards Rochester. I think Monroe County reported around 4 inches of snow earlier today, so they're all in the form of frozen precipitation. Temperatures tonight are dropping down into the 20s. That coating to an inch of snow and sleet is going to be possible for areas north, and then even getting a little bit of a changeover to rain is going to be possible. By the time 11 o'clock rolls around, it's much calmer, and towards Saturday morning, we're just dealing with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be chilly, though. We're in the 20s for highs. It's just going to be a cloud deck along with the cold, and that's pretty much the calm before the next storm system that rolls through. Our Sunday is going to feature rain showers coming in, and I'm stopping the clock around 3 o'clock because, yep, there's going to be thousands, tens of thousands of people at the stadium, and we're going to deal with rain for that before a little bit more of a calmer scenario with precipitation, but it actually changes over to snow, and we'll have temperatures that are in the 20s as we head into the new year.